Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be blessed with all the luck and success, while others are struggling to make ends meet and seem to have none of it? As it turns out, it's not just luck that's holding you back. In fact, there are 5 common habits that are limiting your ability to reach financial prosperity and success, and I'm here to share those with you today, along with some practical tips to help you overcome them. Are you ready to take control of your finances and create the life you've always dreamed of? Then let's dive in. Reason 1. You don't have a budget. The first reason you're poor is because you don't have a budget. It's that simple. The truth is, when you don't have a budget, you're just blindly throwing money away without a real plan or direction for the future. And that's the very definition of a recipe for a financial disaster. The solution: get yourself a budget and stick to it. Start by tracking your expenses for 1 month. And then use that information to create a plan for your spending going forward. It is important that you include all the necessary expenses, like rent, utility bills, and food, as well as your wants, such as entertainment and dining out, in your budget. And don't forget to save a little bit of money every month for emergencies and for your future plans. Reason 2. You live beyond your means. The second reason you're poor is because you live beyond your means. In other words, you're spending more money than you're earning. If you want to achieve financial success, you have to learn to live within your means. This is something that can be quite difficult when there are so many tempting ads and marketing messages that surround us every day. The solution: start by setting realistic financial goals for yourself, and then make a plan to reach those goals. This might mean cutting back on some of your expenses or finding ways to increase your income. Taking care of your finances doesn't mean that you can't enjoy life. It simply means you must find a balance between spending and saving while maintaining your lifestyle. By the way, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like that. So, reason 3. You don't have an emergency fund. The third reason you're poor is because you don't have an emergency fund. As life is unpredictable, unexpected expenses can arise at any moment, and without an emergency fund, you will be forced to take out loans or turn to your credit cards for those costs that will not be covered by your emergency fund. The solution: start building an emergency fund as soon as possible. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, so you'll be prepared for anything that comes your way. The best way to ensure that you are well prepared for a financial crisis is to keep your emergency fund in a safe place where it can be used only for true emergencies. Reason 4. You don't invest in yourself. The fourth reason you're poor is because you don't invest in yourself. In the world of business, it might come as a surprise to you to have to learn that your most valuable asset is actually you. If you aren't investing yourself, you're not giving yourself a chance to be a better person. The solution: start investing in yourself today by taking courses, attending workshops, and reading books to improve your skills and knowledge. And don't forget to take care of your physical and mental health too. If you invest in yourself in the long run, you will become more valuable and more attractive to employers, and you will be able to open up a host of new opportunities for yourself. Reason 5. You don't take calculated risks. The fifth and final reason you're poor is because you don't take calculated risks. A successful person understands that taking risks is a necessary part of growth and progress. However, it is important to remember that there are some risks that are more risky than others. The solution: start taking calculated risks by carefully evaluating the potential rewards and risks of each opportunity. And make sure you have a plan in place to mitigate any potential losses. Never be afraid to take risks and chase your dreams. The greatest reward often comes from taking the biggest risks. There you have it. 5 habits that are holding you back from financial success. But the good news is that you can begin to overcome these habits by following the steps I've outlined for you today. After learning all of these powerful tips I have just explained to you, you still have an unresolved problem. It is important that you watch this video next if you wish to really get the results you are seeking. If you do not, you will not be able to fix that problem.